To quote one of my favorite music artists, let's do another one. Here, let's let the function h of x be equal to 3 times the cosine of x plus x to the second power. And so for this problem, let's find out what is the derivative of our function h when x is equal to pi over 6. And so to do that, first step, let's find what h prime of x is equal to. And then the second step, we'll figure out what h prime of pi over 6 is equal to. So let's start with number 1 here. We know from the sum and difference rule that h prime of x is going to be equal to the derivative of this guy. So 3 times negative sine of x plus the derivative of this guy, which is 2x to the first power. I will go ahead and simplify that. So we have h prime of x is equal to negative 3 sine x plus 2x. And this would be the answer to our part 1. For part 2, well, what is h prime at pi over 6? H prime at pi over 6 is just going to be equal to negative 3 times the sine of pi over 6 plus 2 times pi over 6.